issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:07 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Libertyville to Inverness to near Sleepy Hollow, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, and Addison. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Wheatley Field, The Loop, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm